Hi Steve, hi Rita, this is Spencer from Prime Mercedes in Scarborough, Maine. Thanks for coming in on Saturday. I wanted to put together a little video tour of the two vehicles that we kind of landed on here and just give just a little refresher on how beautiful these two cars really are. So we'll start right away with the ML. This is our black ML350. Now this comes in that beautiful black metallic paint, that beige and brown leather interior. Car is in fantastic shape. We have no major scrapes or scratches on any of the exterior paint. Looks absolutely beautiful. We have our keyless go system on all four of our doors. So we press that button right there, locks, press the door handle, it unlocks. Easy peasy for us. As we come along the rear of the vehicle, we have these wraparound LED taillights, and I'll open up the trunk for you here just to give you an idea for the trunk space. So lots of storage space. Those seats can be folded down as well to give you even more storage capability. And when you want to close it up, all you got to do is press that button right there. Closes right up for you. So now let's take a look at the interior of the ML. You can see a beautiful beige and brown interior. We have that beige contrast stitching on our brown leather trim through the vehicle. And again, that walnut gloss wood trim as well just adds that extra touch to the inside. And then coming along to the front, we can see more of that beige and brown combination continued. You see even more of that walnut trim through the vehicle as well. So now let's hop in, take a look at some interior features. So now that we're inside the ML, all we have to do to start it up is press our start button right there, and the vehicle starts up right away for us. So just over 37,000 miles on this car. Super low for a 2015, and looking at the exterior, interior condition, the quality this car is in, you wouldn't even guess it. It is absolutely beautiful. To put it in drive, I know this is a little different from the RAV4 you've been driving, but you put this gear selector down like that in the drive, and then it's that button right there for park. So I'll put it in drive so we can just take a quick little tour around the dealership here. I'll go over some more features on the car. You can hear that Harman Kardon sound system going. Sounds absolutely beautiful. And as we use this, our tool down here, our little knob to navigate through, it is Sirius radio ready. It just needs a subscription included in there as well. And then we can function through our different nav settings, our phone Bluetooth, so you can hook your phone up, take calls, play music, all of that wirelessly right with your device. One other really cool feature we have is our blind spot assist, so you'll see that glowing triangle on the door mirrors. Great feature to have, especially when you're driving on the highway. Lets you know when someone's coming up in your rear panel. Just is a fantastic safety feature. Like I mentioned, this car does have the brake assist as well, so it will help regulate your braking under pressure. And a few other things that come here that just make life a little bit easier is our automatic headlights, our rain sensing wipers, so those will actually come on once water hits your windshield. All of this stuff you never have to worry about. The car does it all for you. And like we had mentioned while you were driving, it just you can't get past how smooth and how quiet these vehicles are. I can talk to you in a nice low tone while we're driving because you don't hear much in the cabin. So if you have any other questions, I'm happy to answer them. You have my contact info. So what I'll do is I'll send you over another link to the video of the C300, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.